If you are going to be remodeling or even just refreshing your bathroom this year, you need to watch this video until the end. I am going to show you all the latest bathroom trends that are coming out in the next year, and spoiler alert, all white bathrooms are out. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you the most surprising trend at the end, and it's not what you think. My name is Carrie and welcome to Penny Modern. We are all about affordable and modern interior design here on this channel. So make sure you hit subscribe if you'd like more content like this. I did want to share with you today all the latest bathroom trends that are coming up in the next year. We'll cover everything from colors, cabinet styles, and then flooring, lighting, and all the different finishes that we're gonna be seeing for next year. And this is data and research that I've gathered from major publications such as House and Real Simple, and it's also from other interior designers such as Kathy Kuo, Havenly, Verde Interior Design, as well as Mosaic Design. So let's get started. So why do you need to know what the latest trends are for your bathroom? If you're gonna remodel or just want a quick and easy refresh, you don't want it to look dated right away, right? Or if you are looking to resell your home, you need to know the latest trends that buyers are actually looking for. So that's why I put all this together. Bathrooms are no longer going to be just functional spaces. They're becoming more like a personal sanctuary where you can relax and recharge. Furthermore, bathrooms are really important in terms of resale value as well as the atmosphere and how you feel inside your home. Trend one is all about warm, neutral colors. That is the big shift that we are seeing here. We are going to see a huge departure away from the stark white and gray bathrooms. You're going to want to embrace warm white, cream, beige, taupe, and mushroom colors when you're selecting your materials, such as your tiles or your stone. Light wood is going to be used, like light wood tones are going to be used anywhere from flooring to cabinets and wall treatments. So like you see here. You're also going to want to incorporate more natural looking materials such as a wood look tile or stone look tile or actual stone tiles, and then statement stone slabs will continue to be a trend, but just make sure you get ones that have warmer undertones, not the cold, cool gray undertones. According to Erin Davis, which is a lead designer at Mosaic Design in Portland, the goal is to use nature-inspired colors that evoke feelings of relaxation and calm in the bathroom, creating that spa-like environment. The second trend is to add pops of saturated, earthy tones to the bathroom. Neutrals are awesome, but they can be boring if you don't spice it up with some colors, and that's what this trend is all about. The colors that are going to be popular next year are deep, rich, and earthy. Think green, purple, blue, and brown. Like green is one of my favorite ones that we will see next year. Darker colors are also going to have a very calming and grounding effect that's going to make you feel more connected to nature and more relaxed. You can also add contrast and drama to your space, especially when you use saturated colors in things like cabinetry, tile, and accent walls. These deep saturated tones are increasing in popularity, particularly for things like cabinetry and tile. The third trend is to incorporate spa-like features into the bathroom. It's been going on for a while and it's not going away. People just want to feel like they're at a spa, basically. They want their bathrooms to be more than just somewhere to wash up. They want to be able to relax, unwind, and indulge themselves. They're going to be using things like steam showers, towel heaters, massaging shower heads, and soaker tubs like you see here, and even heated floors and heated towel racks. Louis Carmona of Verde Interior Design in Dallas says that having your space double as an in-home spa has definitely shifted what one considers functional design. This next trend is one of my favorites. It's all about tile trends for bathrooms. And we're gonna see a lot of changes here. Some of the latest trends are just herringbone everything, which is my personal favorite, wood look tiles, stone look tiles, large format tiles, bold patterns, and blending tiles. Herringbone continues to be a hot way to lay tile. It shows up on floors, walls, backsplash, almost anywhere. Blending tile is a creative way to mix and match different types of tiles, like ceramic, porcelain, marble, or glass, or you could use different sizes or different colors of tiles. And you could also use one type for the wall and something different for the floor. This creates an eclectic look that is both modern and timeless, and it also adds a lot more personality and texture to the space. According to House, many homeowners are requesting a more traditional or thoughtful details to create a touch of personality into their bathroom design. This means incorporating traditional or vintage elements like a clawfoot tub like you see here. In addition, some people want to incorporate things that make it feel more aged, like brick, clay tiles, rustic wood, and arches. Some designers are incorporating thoughtful details such as handcrafted tiles, artisan wallpaper, custom cabinetry, or fluting. Next up is lighting trends. This is a big one here. Chrome and silver are set to make a comeback in interior design, and lighting is no exception, says Heather Gozen of Havenly. These fresh modern finishes are set to gain popularity in the new year, edging out competitors like brass, matte black, and gold, which have dominated the industry over several years. Also, light fixtures with natural materials that feature organic shapes and imperfections are set to be big next year, says Kathy Kuo, founder of Kathy Kuo Home. From rattan wall sconces to leather-wrapped floor lamps, this addition of texture softens the look of lighting hardware. Designers are going to be picking high polish over matte finishes. Matte finishes have had their moment in the past several years, but Havenly predicts high polish fixtures will make a splash next year. Similar to the chrome and silver resurgence, this look feels a little retro 1970s in the best way possible. Don't be afraid of a little glam. Designers agree that the vintage and retro-inspired trend that's been popular the past couple years is set to continue. This trend encapsulates everything from 1950s inspired milk glass fixtures to industrial looking Edison bulbs and vintage inspired filament bulbs. It's not going anywhere. Another trend is just pendant lights can be used instead of your standard vanity light, and that's kind of a lower budget way to add some ambience. The next trend is the most surprising trend, and that is actually blue. Blue is likely to be the color of the year from several different paint companies. It makes it the most unexpected, and I'm loving all the blue that we're probably going to see next year. Benjamin Moore's 2024 color of the year is Blue Nova, which is a cool and captivating shade of blue with the prettiest hint of violet. Sherwin-Williams' 2024 selection is the aptly named Upward, which is a blissful pale blue shade. If you're looking for a fresh air in paint color form, with its all-renewing, calming, and brightening effects, this is it. Blue has a soothing, calming, and refreshing color. Again, it's going to give that spa-like feel to the bathroom that people are looking for. Blue can be used as a primary color in the bathroom or as an accent color to add some contrast and pop. A quick and low-budget way to add trendy blue is by using blue towels, blue rugs, art, and accessories. Well, that almost wraps it up. I do want to hear what is your favorite trend. Please let me know in the comments below. And also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And then if you would like more videos like this served to you, make sure you hit subscribe and the little bell notification so you get notified every time I drop a new video. And we are all about affordable and modern home decor and interior design here at Penny Modern. Thanks, and see you next time.